Welcome, my name is Vince, and today I want to do a quick video on how to set up the Elecraft K4 TX and RX equalizer. Let's hop over to the computer. Okay, on the new K4 you're probably interested in how to set up your mic EQ. What you're going to want to do is come down here to TX, click it, then you're going to go to TX EQ, and then you're going to adjust your sliders up and down accordingly. You could do it by hitting these top buttons up here, top or bottom button, or you could do it by grabbing and sliding it. Now for receive, you're going to want to click main RX for receive, then you're going to hit RX EQ, and then these adjust the same way. Now for both the TX and the RX, if you have the 200 hertz roll off, so anything below 200 hertz is rolled off, your first slider here is not going to make a difference. You're going to start with this one. So this one and this one are really your bass settings, mainly this one, and you're going to want to adjust them according to how much bass is in your voice and that your microphone has. This next one, 800, which actually right around the 900 frequency level, you get a nasally sound. And put your hands over your ears and then talk, and you'll hear you sound very nasally. That's what the 900 frequency does, and 800's right there. It's the closest one you have. So. And you're going to want to cut that. And then these next ones, you're going to want to raise them up. The one at 2400. Now back in the day, the telephone company did a lot of research to find out what hertz frequency would be the cleanest and the clearest for their telephones, and they settled on 2400. So you're going to want to peak 2400 for clarity. Now this 3200 I found just puts like a little bit of hiss or S sound in it, so I kind of leave that neutral. At least for me, that's how my voice is. Okay, I hope you found this short video helpful. Please remember to like, subscribe, and ding that bell. 73.